Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're interested in swing trading, day trading, momentum stocks, or just want to see what I'm trading or looking at, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And also be sure to hang out till the end of this video where I'm going to share my favorite recent IPO stock. So the S&P and the NASDAQ have been breaking out to new highs here. Got a very nice chart here after a period of consolidation. This is the S&P 500. You can see the NASDAQ 100 is breaking out as well. We're also in a very bullish time of the year, the period from October really through Christmas, and sometimes even through the following May can be a very bullish time. So there's a lot that's been working. Since our last video, a lot of those picks have been working extremely well. Apple and Google were my two favorite FANG stocks. Still like them here. Also, the chip stocks, all the semis. So the index would be SMH. That's the Vanek Vectors ETF Trust. That's one way to trade a basket of them. In particular, as I mentioned, I like CRUS, which is Cirrus Logic, breaking out after reporting good earnings about 10 days ago, and we've had some continuation here, so just trading right at the highs. Also LRCX would be another one that we've talked about. Trying to break out here, getting a little bit of a rejection today, but I think especially if the market continues to move higher, this is a group that's very strong. A couple more names from last time that I still like. Carvana, CVNA, very strong the last 4 days, trading at all-time new highs here. So that's CVNA, Carvana. A related stock would be, which is a new one, would be CarMax, KMX. Looking very similar, also trading at new all-time highs here. Another name from last video would be INMD, InMode. This is a medical equipment company. And one way to play this would be that I've been looking at, IHI would be the medical devices ETF. This is trading very close to new highs here, looking like it wants to move higher. Again, just like semis, medical equipment and medical devices is a very strong subsector. So something to take a look at if you want ETF exposure to medical devices. Another name from last week that I still like, CDW. And this is IT services and consulting, moving nicely higher since we first started talking about it. So I know a lot of you are along this. Congratulations on that. If you're looking for other FANG stocks besides Apple and Google, I'm really warming back up to Facebook. Price action's been quite good, coming out with Facebook Pay, which I think, even if Libra never happens, Facebook Pay could be definitely something, a catalyst for this to move higher. And so those would be the three FANG stocks: Apple, Google, Facebook. Another ETF, another strong sector would be the biotech sector, which would be IBB. Not quite at new highs here, but the chart's looking very constructive, and we seem to see some institutional buying on the dips. EW, Edwards Life Sciences, would be another medical company that I think I talked about a month or two ago, but this one, a couple of listeners have redrawn my attention to it. Definitely one to keep an eye on. It's especially if it can break higher here. Just a great looking chart. And on these charts, we want to see, ideally want to see breaking to new 52-week highs or new all-time highs, trading above the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line above the 200-day moving average, which is the red line. Another retailer I like besides CarMax would be Lululemon. Just been very, very strong this year, and trading at the highs here. So that'd be another retail play. What else do we have here? Ubiquity. This would be one of the few tech names that was working well, broke down, and it's just been really trending higher using post-earnings announcement drift since it report earnings about 10 days ago. Cabo is another one, CABO. This is a broadcasting company, Cable One. Amazing looking chart. It's a high price stock, so it might not be for everyone, but you can also try it, see if you can buy fractional shares of this. A lot of these high price stocks tend to do extremely well. and a lot of retail investors miss out on them just because they're not willing to pay up for them. So don't mistake quality or good value for, penny stocks. You can buy a lot for a very low price, but I much rather be in the higher price stocks like Amazon or CABO or Apple or Google, where the underlying company really has momentum in revenues, etc. Finally, this is kind of an old dividend name that's looks like it may be starting a new leg higher. All of you know about WD-40 oil, those little cans. This is WDFC. It's been sort of consolidating, trading in a range here, but looking like it's poised to break higher. So that's another one I really like. Again, it's a fairly high price stock, $189 a share. Finally, my favorite recent IPO stock, which has been showing great strength since it reported earnings, would be Peloton. Just absolutely amazing, amazing move following earnings. A lot of good follow through as well. And another reason I like this one is not just because it's trading at new all-time highs here, but if you look at the short interest, we definitely could be in for a short squeeze here. The short interest as a percentage of the float is an enormous 75%, and so this is one that could definitely see a short squeeze in the near term. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade IPOs, learn how to trade more about momentum stocks, if you've listened this far, you should check out my courses. I'm going to stick a link in the description notes below. Swing trading with options is a great one for people who like momentum stocks. If you know nothing about options, learn to trade options like a pro would be a way to get up to speed and learn very basic option strategies all the way up to advanced strategies. And then I have a course here on trading IPOs as well. Now, if you're interested in this, I've got a special deal for you for my YouTube followers. Basically, just click the link in the description notes below and scroll down. You can read all about the courses. And if you click on any of these, it will give you the curriculum. But if you just click Get It Now, normally monthly tuition is just $125 for 30 days access, no long-term contracts or anything. But I've got a special deal for you guys today. If you click right here where it says have a coupon code and click YT, as in YouTube, 99, I'm going to shave $26 off of that. You can be able to get access for just $99 for 30 days. And during that access, you'll be able to watch all of my courses. And they're probably, I don't even know how many are in here now. 12 of them or so, including a course on fixed income trading, financial statement analysis, trading futures, real estate. Oh, here's the course, Make Money with IPOs. So that's definitely one to check out. Also be interested in what other IPOs what other momentum stocks you guys are looking at. So drop those tickers in the description notes in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. Let me know what you'd like me to make the next video about. Thanks a lot for listening. I'll see you guys in the next video.